Are you looking for the best curved car wash brush in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best curved car wash brush that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Wontolf 62 Car Wash Brush Kit with long handle. The Wontolf 62-inch car wash brush kit is built for drivers who want a faster, easier way to wash cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, boats, and even household surfaces. The kit includes 4 aluminum poles and 3 microfiber mitts, giving you flexible reach for roof lines, wheels, windows, and hard-to-clean corners. Its adjustable handle can be assembled to 32.6, 46.3, or 62 inches, so you can clean higher areas without climbing or overstretching. The soft chenille microfiber brush head is scratch-free, lint-free, reusable, and machine washable, making it safe for paint while grabbing dirt, grime, and dust. The 180-degree rotating head helps reduce missed spots, while the removable mop head can be used separately as a wash mitt for detailed hand cleaning. A sponge grip adds comfort and slip resistance during wet use. For a YouTube review, this kit stands out as a practical all-in-one wash tool for routine detailing and family car care. It also supports washing, drying, waxing, dusting, and polishing, making it useful for weekend maintenance, quick cleanups, and beginner-friendly driveway demonstrations after every dirty drive on camera too. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ordenado 62 inches Car Wash Brush Kit Mitt Mop Sponge. The Ordenado 62-inch Car Wash Brush Kit is a versatile cleaning setup designed for car owners who want convenience, reach, and scratch-free washing in one package. Its 4 aluminum poles let you adjust the handle to 32.6, 46.3, or 62 inches, making it easier to reach roofs, lower panels, wheels, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, and household surfaces. The stuck-fixing pole connection keeps the handle firm while cleaning, and the anti-slip grip plus 180-degree rotating mop head gives better control around curves, corners, and glass. The chenille microfiber mop works as both a long-handle brush and a detachable mitt, sponge, or rag when the pole is removed. Its absorbent fibers trap dirt and grime without leaving scratches, lint, or swirl marks. The rust-resistant aluminum alloy construction is made for indoor and outdoor use. With an extra chenille mop head and 12-month warranty, this kit is an appealing gift and a practical choice for faster washing, waxing, drying, polishing, dusting, and detailing. For video content, it gives viewers talking points about reach, stability, versatility, material quality, and included accessories during real use. At number 3, we have the UTOS 8-Pieces Car Wash Kit. The UTOS 8-piece car wash kit is made for reviewers who want a compact but complete exterior cleaning set. The main highlight is the 62-inch long-handle car wash brush, built with 4 sturdy aluminum alloy rods and soft chenille microfiber heads. It is detachable, easy to assemble, and useful for reaching car roofs, SUV panels, truck surfaces, and other high or awkward areas. The microfiber chenille mop is designed to clean gently, helping protect delicate paint from scratches while lifting dirt and road grime. A 180-degree rotating head adds flexibility, allowing better contact around curves, corners, and tight spaces. Beyond the main wash brush, the kit includes a mop head cover, windshield squeegee, oversized microfiber towel, tire brush, wheel hub brush, detailing brush, and storage bag. The squeegee helps leave glass clear and streak-free, while the towel is lint-free and quick drying. With a 12-month warranty, this kit offers strong value for routine washing, wheel cleaning, windshield care, and organized storage. It is useful for showing viewers how one affordable kit handles paint, wheels, glass, and storage needs in one review. At number 2, we have the NIKCOSMK 62 17PCS Car Wash Brush Kit. The NIKCOSMK 17-piece Car Wash Brush Kit is a complete detailing bundle for car owners who want more than a basic wash mop. Inside the set you get 4 adjustable aluminum poles, 2 chenille microfiber replacement brush head mitts, 1 microfiber mitt, a windshield squeegee, car dash duster, microfiber towel, wheel and tire brush, 5 detailing brushes, and an organizer bag. The 62-inch handle gives extra reach for cleaning car roofs, RVs, SUVs, trucks, windows, ceiling fan blades, shelves, corners, and other high areas. Both the mop and duster can connect to the pole, adding flexibility for vehicle and home cleaning. The chenille microfiber head is soft, lint-free, reusable, machine washable, and designed to remove grime without scratching paint. The Squeegee uses a soft rubber blade and nylon netted sponge for glass, mirrors, and doors, helping move water and foam with less streaking. 5 detailing brushes target vents, lug nuts, wheels, cracks, seats, and small corners, making this kit ideal for deeper review coverage. For content creators, it offers tools to demonstrate exterior washing and interior detailing in one video. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wontolf 62 car wash brush with window squeegee and duster. The Wontolf 62-inch car wash brush kit is a feature-packed cleaning set aimed at car enthusiasts who want washing, drying, dusting, and wheel care in one box. The package includes 4 aluminum poles, 2 microfiber mitts, a windshield squeegee, microfiber towel, microfiber duster, and wheel brush. The spring button pole design makes the brush easy to assemble or disassemble, so it can switch from a long handle wash brush to a handheld chenille mitt for detailed cleaning. The microfiber chenille material is machine washable, highly absorbent, scratch-free, and lint-free, helping protect paint while removing dirt and grime. After washing, the 62-inch windshield squeegee helps scrape away foam and water with a soft rubber blade for a fast, streak-free finish on car glass or home windows. The microfiber duster can be used by hand or attached to the poles for dashboards, wheels, windowsills, ceiling fans, bookcases, and tight corners. Thick microfiber towels add absorbency for final drying without residue. For a product review, it creates strong talking points around reach, scratch protection, glass cleaning, dust removal, and everyday practicality for drivers overall.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.